All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful white with black two-tone interior. It's like a silver, it's like a leatherette with a suede interior. Roof racks, alloy wheels, fog lights, only 16,000 miles in this vehicle. And best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? No, it does not. I see a little bit of dirt, but no curbing. Over 730 seconds. Bit of dirt right there. Looks good. This door looks good. This rear door does, as a matter of fact, does have a dent. You can see it's running the entire length. I don't know how that happened, because the two doors are good and no paint work on that. The door and the fender are good, no paint work on that. The quarter has a dent here as well, about 6 inches. Paint off, of course. Really little to no paint off on this. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. As you can see, it's got that two-tone type of thing I was talking about. This is like a suede with like a leatherette. Power windows and power seat. Sorry, folks. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Put this bad boy on for you. Some lights going, boom. Christmas music started, folks. Merry Christmas. You got AM, FM, CD player, on it, all that good stuff. You got a backup camera here. You got AC controls right down below, and there's a shot of your backup. AC controls, dual AC controls, and rear AC controls. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. A mileage of 16,333. Keeping it moving. We got some power options up here. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC controls and vents running along. A little power button here. Closes that door. Coming through, we got a scuffing here, 3, 6, about 9 inches right there. Rear bumper, the rest of it looks okay. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Of course, this, like it says, it is a stone go. We had some little a stain or something there, but needs some cleanup. Maybe somebody can clean it up, but I know I couldn't. It looks pretty good. And now that I'm retrospect looking at it, we got some chips here on this edge there. The lift gate looks good. Quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Now see curbing. Your tire thread here is that. Not in 930 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. Oh, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips back there. A little power button. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing. I'll say all the way around 10 or more. And tire thread, 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Oh, it's actually under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with only 16,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.